Preparedness is the ultimate form of self-defense and a ticket to safety. We can all relate to this quote. In a world where uncertainty lurks around every corner, being prepared is no longer a choice, but a necessity. As a responsible individual, it's important to be equipped to handle any situation that may arise. That's why we've compiled a comprehensive list of the top 10 pistols that will give you the edge you need to stay safe, confident, and in control. In 2025, the stakes are higher and the threats are more unpredictable. The pistols you'll discover have been carefully selected for their exceptional performance, reliability, and features. This list will provide you with the knowledge and insights you need to make informed decisions about your pistol collection. So, let's count down the top 10 pistols that deserve a spot in your safe. Your safety, your security, and your shooting skills depend on it. The Heckler & Koch VP9 Match OR is a competition-ready pistol designed for precision and speed. Chambered in 9mm Luger, this recoil-operated striker-fired semi-automatic pistol features a 5.5-inch barrel with an O-ring bushing system for improved accuracy. The frame is made of polymer with interchangeable backstraps and side panels for a customizable fit. The VP9 Match OR boasts a range of features tailored for competition shooting, including aggressive cocking serrations, lightning cuts, and an optics-ready slide with adapter plates for popular red dot sights. The pistol also comes with 4 20-round extended magazines and a choice of magazine release styles. In testing, the VP9 Match OR demonstrated exceptional accuracy and agility with a smooth trigger pull and short reset, making it ideal for rapid follow-up shots. The modular grip system and customizable fit make it an excellent choice for shooters with different hand sizes and preferences. Overall, the Heckler & Koch VP9 Match OR is a top-tier competition pistol that excels in precision, speed, and customization. A powerhouse pistol that embodies the perfect blend of performance, reliability, and safety is the FN509 Tactical. With its durable design and superior craftsmanship, this handgun delivers exceptional results in high-stress situations, making it an ideal choice for law enforcement, military, and civilian shooters. The FN509 Tactical boasts a range of tactical-oriented features, including a 17-round magazine capacity, threaded barrel, suppressor height sights, and an optics-ready design with a milled slide compatible with popular micro red dots. Safety is also a top priority, with features like a safety lever, loaded chamber indicator, and drop-safe design. Overall, the FN509 Tactical is a top-tier pistol that sets a new standard for performance, reliability, and safety. The Springfield Hellcat Pro is a top contender for safe handguns in 2025, boasting an impressive array of features that make it an excellent choice for concealed carry and self-defense. With its exceptional reliability, proven through 4,000 rounds without major issues, the Hellcat Pro demonstrates remarkable durability. Its superior ergonomics, featuring an adaptive grip texture and 18-degree grip angle, provide a comfortable and secure hold, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions. The Hellcat Pro also impresses with its magazine capacity, holding 15+1 rounds in a compact design, offering impressive firepower for its size. Additionally, the pistol is optics ready, featuring a factory-milled optics cut compatible with popular micro red dots. In terms of performance, the Hellcat Pro delivers accurate and controlled shots thanks to its excellent trigger and ergonomic design. Its safety features, including an internal striker block safety and trigger safety lever, provide an added layer of protection against accidental discharge. While it may not offer the same level of modularity as some other options, such as the SICK P365 XL, the Hellcat Pro's performance, reliability, and safety features make it a top contender. The G2C pistol boasts impressive ergonomics with a grip designed for comfort and control. The finger rests are conveniently positioned, and the aggressive stippling provides a secure hold. The low-profile sights are reminiscent of the M&P Shield, and the deep slide cut makes it easy to grasp and operate the slide. In terms of safety, the G2C excels. It features an internal striker block that prevents accidental discharge if the gun is dropped. The trigger safety ensures that the gun won't fire unless the trigger is deliberately pulled from the front. A loaded chamber indicator on top of the slide provides an added layer of safety, and the manual safety on the outside of the gun allows users to choose when to engage or disengage it. One notable aspect of the G2C is its trigger. The long trigger pull can be tiring and uncomfortable, and the trigger travel is noticeably longer than other pistols. However, this doesn't detract from the pistol's overall value. The G2C offers a range of features, including a 9mm caliber, 2-round magazine capacity, 4 safeties, a railing for attachments, and a metal magazine with a strong eject. Overall, the G2C is a solid choice for those looking for a reliable and feature-rich pistol. Are you ready to take your shooting skills to the next level? Then look no further than the CZ Shadow 2 Compact, the ultimate pistol for those who demand precision, reliability, and top-notch safety features. With its design and superior craftsmanship, this pistol will function flawlessly even in the most demanding of environments. Plus, its exceptional precision and accuracy make it an ideal choice for competitive shooting and self-defense. The CZ Shadow 2 Compact boasts an impressive array of features, including a generous 17-round magazine capacity, allowing for extended shooting sessions without needing to reload. The manual safeguard lever provides an additional layer of protection against accidental discharges, while the pistol's impact resistance ensures reliable performance in harsh environments. Furthermore, the trigger protection system features a smooth, consistent trigger pull, minimizing the risk of unintentional discharges. Adjustable sights and aggressive texturing on the grip round out the pistol's impressive features, making it the ultimate choice for those seeking a reliable, accurate, and safe firearm. The 6 Sauer P320 AXG Legion is a shining example of a safety-focused firearm. Its striker-fire design eliminates the need for an external safety lever, reducing the likelihood of accidental discharges. The gray gun's immediate trigger with its 4.5-pound pull weight and crisp break ensures that the pistol will only fire when intentionally triggered. Additionally, the trigger's tactile and audible reset provides a clear indication of when the pistol is ready to fire again. The P320 AXG Legion has been rigorously tested to ensure that it meets the stringent drop safety standards set by the industry. Its design and internal mechanisms are engineered to prevent accidental discharges even when dropped from various angles and heights. Furthermore, the pistol's ambidextrous slide catch lever allows both left and right-handed shooters to easily operate the pistol, enhancing its safety by ensuring that the slide can be securely locked back. The P320 AXG Legion's TXG grip module is designed to provide a secure and comfortable grip, reducing the likelihood of accidental discharges caused by a loss of control. The grip module's texture and ergonomic design ensure that the pistol remains firmly in the shooter's hand even during rapid fire or in adverse conditions. Overall, the 6 Sauer P320 AXG Legion is a testament to the importance of safety in firearm design, making it an exemplary choice for anyone who prioritizes safety above all else. For those familiar with the inner workings of a 1911, the Staccato P will feel like home. This semi-automatic single-action hammer-fired pistol is fed from a double-stack magazine and boasts all the classic 1911 features: hammer, thumb safety, grip safety, 1911-style trigger, and slide-stop takedown pin. However, scratch beneath the surface and you'll discover significant departures from the traditional 1911 design. The Staccato P steel components are meticulously machined from billet or round stock American steel, eschewing forging, casting, or molding. This modernized approach optimizes both reliability and performance. The Staccato P ships with 3 magazines, 2 17-round and 1 20-round. These steel-bodied magazines feature easily removable aluminum base plates and are compatible with other full-size Staccato pistols as well as many 2011 style pistols. Notably, the frame and slide slim width necessitates a bottleneck design, transitioning from double to single stack at the top. The Staccato P's robust grip is a double-edged sword. While it provides ample real estate for a secure grip, it can also make controls challenging to reach for shooters with smaller hands. At the heart of Staccato's lineup is the Staccato P, a full-size duty-grade pistol designed for those who demand reliability and performance. With its rich heritage and proven track record, the Staccato P is poised to take the shooting world by storm. The Mossberg MC2C is a pistol that shines with its impressive performance, reliable design, and innovative features. With its robust design and smooth trigger, this pistol delivers accuracy and consistency that's hard to match. The generous 14-round capacity provides plenty of ammo for any situation. The MC2SC's ergonomic design is another standout feature, with a unique grip that fits comfortably in your hand, reducing recoil and improving control. The integrated trigger safety takes it to the next level, ensuring the pistol won't fire unless the trigger is intentionally pulled, providing an added layer of security and peace of mind. Overall, the Mossberg MC2SC is a worthy addition to any shooter's collection, perfect for concealed carry, home defense, or range hangout. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Any of the reviewed pistol is a go-to choice if you're looking to upgrade your home or personal security. Now it's your turn to tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. Which do you find appealing? Looking to try out any new pistols? Let us know, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more firearms content and reviews. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.